New in SolidWorks Simulation Premium is support for composite shells. Simulation's always had the ability to support composite materials, but now we have the ability to support shell representation, such as when we have surfaces. And this is a very powerful tool because not only can you define the orthotropic properties of the composite, but now you can actually define individual ply material layups. You can see here we have a listing of the ply orientations for this I-beam, which is comprised of two C channels, and we have different ply layups built up to form the laminate. We have arrows here that indicate the current ply orientation relative to the 0 degree direction, which is shown by these stripes on the surfaces. We can assign individual materials, or we can apply the same material to all plies. We can see here our orthotropic characteristics. So defining a layup is very easy to do and very intuitive, but more importantly we have a wide cross-section of results available to us that relate to composites. So we can look at the results in each individual ply, so it's just a matter of looking at the stresses. So here, for example, we're looking at shear results. You can see there's not much shear going on in the 0 ply direction, but in the 45 we have more significant shear, and then 90 ply not much, and again in the minus 45 we have shear. In the axial direction, which is longitudinal for the beam, we can see the 0 degree ply has around 40 megapascals versus the 45, which is pretty much half of that, and 90, even a small percentage, 10% say, and then again in the minus 45. So again, it's great for drilling down and understanding where the load is going in the system and being able to tailor that. But another factor is to see as a laminate what are the strengths. And we now have the ability to show factors of safeties for criterion such as psi-Hill, psi-Wu, in addition to our regular criterion. So you can see here, most of the composites just above 1, which is probably okay for some situations. And again, you can see the differences between the two criteria, and you get a slightly different factor of safety. So composites is an excellent addition to the Simulation Premium suite of tools, and will definitely help you in designing laminate layups to improve your design.